Did you know that engaging in quick art projects can boost your creativity by up to 50% and significantly reduce stress levels? That's right. Just a few minutes of artistic expression can make a world of difference in how you feel and think. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, quick art projects. We all know that life gets busy, and sometimes it feels like we don't have time to create. But guess what? These projects are not only fun but also a fantastic way to express your creativity without requiring a ton of time. So grab your supplies, and let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Okay, let's talk about a problem many of us face: lack of time or motivation to start art projects. Life can be a whirlwind, and often, we put our creative passions on the back burner. But here's the good news: these quick art projects are designed to fit into those little pockets of time we have throughout our day. Whether you're waiting for your coffee to brew or taking a short break from work, you can easily squeeze in some creativity. These projects are simple, rewarding, and most importantly, they can help reignite that artistic spark you may be missing. Exploration/development. Now, let's jump into the fun part. Here are 10 quick art projects you can start right now. 1. Doodle a day. All you need is a pen and paper. Spend just 5 minutes doodling whatever comes to mind. The only limit is your imagination. 2. Mini collage. Gather old magazines, cut out interesting images or words, and glue them onto a piece of cardstock. It's a quick way to express what's on your mind. 3. Watercolor postcards. Grab some watercolor paints and a few blank postcards. You can create mini masterpieces to send to friends or keep for yourself. 4. Nature art. Go for a walk and collect leaves, flowers, or stones. When you get home, arrange them on a canvas or in a journal for a natural piece of art. 5. Sketch your favorite mug. Take a minute and sketch your favorite coffee or tea mug. It's a great way to practice your drawing skills and appreciate the little things. 6. Coloring pages. Pick up a coloring book and spend a few minutes coloring. It's incredibly relaxing and allows you to express your creativity without much effort. 7. Ink blot art. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and drop some ink or paint on one side. Fold it back and press down to create a unique symmetrical design. 8. DIY art journal. Grab a notebook and start filling it with your thoughts, sketches, and anything that inspires you. It can be as simple or complex as you want. 9. Quick photography. Use your phone to take creative photos around your home or neighborhood. Experiment with angles and lighting. 10. Upcycled art. Use old materials from around the house, like buttons, fabric scraps, or cardboard, to create something new. It's sustainable and fun. So there you have it. 10 quick art projects that you can dive into right away. I encourage you to take a moment to try at least one of these out. Climax/key moment. Now, if I had to highlight one standout project, it would definitely be the mini collage. I remember the first time I did this, I was feeling a bit uninspired and just grabbed some old magazines lying around. I ended up creating this beautiful piece that reflected my mood and helped me process my thoughts at the time. It was cathartic. Plus, I had so much fun piecing everything together. You can really let loose with this one, so I highly recommend giving it a go. Conclusion/summary. To recap, we covered 10 quick art projects today, from doodling and collaging to photography and upcycling. Remember, the beauty of these projects lies in their simplicity and the joy they bring. Anyone can create art quickly and easily, so don't hesitate to dive in. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which project are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other art-related videos for even more inspiration. Until next time, keep creating and have fun.